Hi, today we're going to be looking at and breaking down the intro to this song. So Wanted, Dead or Alive by Bon Jovi. What an awesome intro. We can get some good picking practice in and some slides as well. This is one of the songs that got me into playing guitar in the first place. It's really good fun, repetitive pattern. Here we go. So I'll break down the picking pattern first. I'll be using a pick. I'll be using my Dunlop nylon 0.6mm. I like that it's got a little bit of give, that it's also tough enough to give me a little bit of attack on the strings. You're also welcome to use your fingers if you're not yet used to using a pick. We'll break down the picking pattern first. What I like to do with this song is to play down on the D, down on the G, down on the E, and then back up on the G. Get your hand used to repeating that pattern nice and smooth. We'll now add in the fretting hand. We start off with the first finger on the 13th fret of the E and the middle finger on the 14th fret of the G. So we get this interval here when I add in the picking pattern that we've just covered. This is the start of the song. I'll now move through the rest of the intervals. The second position we're going to go to is on the 12th fret. And what we're going to do here, which gives us the nice slide once you get used to it between the positions, is we're going to take this middle finger here and move it to the 12th fret. So you're just going to slide down 2 frets from 14 with your middle finger. And then we're going to add in our third finger here onto the 12th fret of the E string. So if I show you from the beginning, you can hear the slide between those first 2 positions because my middle finger is never going to leave that string, and it's going to continue doing that all the way down. So we're just going to interchange these 2 positions all the way down to the bottom of the fretboard. So position 1, position 2, position 3 takes the exact same fingers and the exact same shape, slides them down to fret 10 on the same strings. We then slide the middle finger to 9, take off the third finger and add on the first finger to the E string to fret 8. We're going to slide all the way down with the middle finger to fret 5 and add in the third finger to the E string, fret 5. Slide the middle finger to fret 4, take off the third finger, add the first finger to fret 3. So as you can see, up until this moment, the picking hand here is doing exactly the same thing, and the middle finger here is staying on the same string. So I'll do that one more time, nice and slow. Now the ending of the song is slightly different and it breaks from the picking pattern here that we've already established. All we need to do from the position that we're in at the moment is pick the G string with the middle finger, and from fret 4, keep your finger pressed down and slide down to fret number 2. And then add the first finger to fret number 1. Cheeky little slide at the end. The intro riff is repeated twice. So we're going to go back to the beginning, and I like to play an up and A string to join it back together. And just a quick playthrough to finish. That concludes the breakdown of the intro to Wanted Dead or Alive. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson today. Really work at, nice and slowly, the evenness of the picking, whether it's with a pick or whether it's with your fingers, and the slides as you descend down the neck with the middle finger, because it really adds to the nuance of the song. If you can build this up nice and slowly, when you start to hear the fluency, it will really start to take off. I shall see you next time.